The Advanced Learning Division supports IALR's mission through three critical strategies. The first is building STEM capacity in the region to support targeted industry sectors. Secondly, we support career exposure and work-based learning opportunities that connect our young people to career opportunities here in Southern Virginia. The third thing that we do in the Advanced Learning Division is we support lifelong learning, health equity, and service opportunities as ways to continue to learn, but also to give back and engage the community. The Advanced Learning Division supports STEM capacity building by offering high-quality STEM camps for students during the summer and while they're on breaks during school. We also support two academic programs that are partnerships with Danville and Pittsylvania County Public Schools as well as Danville Community College. Those two programs are the Governor's School for Math, Science, and Technology and also the Academy for Engineering and Technology. Both of those are dual enrollment programs that support post-secondary education that's targeted in STEM fields. We also are driving a statewide initiative that's titled GoTech, or Great Opportunities in Technology and Engineering Careers. GoTech starts with our middle school career connection labs, where students have hands-on technology-enabled learning, and that's in the areas of precision machining, welding, metrology, additive manufacturing or 3D printing. GoTech has expanded to serve this academic year 44 middle schools, but we envision that we'll be in a minimum of 50 middle schools by 2025. We're also able to provide and support informal learning experiences through our GoTech Mobile Lab, and that's a 45-foot mobile unit that can travel anywhere in the Commonwealth of Virginia to support our partner K-12 divisions who are offering GoTech to their students. We really wanted to think about the system that our region is supporting that does connect our students to employment and career opportunities. We call that system Empower. We think about that work in three different areas: career awareness, supported by multiple programmatic activities, career exposure and engagement, and then the last most critical area is career experience. How are we putting young people in work-based learning opportunities to connect them to employment opportunities in the region? Our goal is to connect employers and give them multiple opportunities to engage with their target audience, their future workforce, to expose their career opportunities, what their company does, and make that critical connection. The Wonder community is our lifelong learning strategy that's multi-generational and allows people to connect through a shared learning experience. Another area where we're focused on economic transformation is health equity. We accomplish that work through our REACH partnership. The Institute's not a provider of health care, but we are a convener and a collaborator. Another way that we support engagement is through service learning. So in addition to work-based learning, many young people and adults have an authentic experience through service. And so we support that through two AmeriCorps programs. Our AmeriCorps members are providing service in critical high-need areas in the region. IALR supports 6 strategic goals. One of those goals is to become a center of excellence for education and workforce development. All of the programmatic initiatives under the Advanced Learning Division support that strategic goal.